Hello everyone! This video is about the British Museum.
This collection. I think this is how many hundred years. If I read the history of it. Are they a proper gold? I think I can video this for hours all this display here, guys. So I would recommend if you come here in London, you visit the British Museum, yeah, if you like arts, history, yeah. Oh, wow, where are these?
Hi guys! We are at the British Museum. Look, that's the British Museum. Yeah, that's the British Museum. So we are going there. Okay? So let's go inside. I'll show you what's inside the British Museum here in London. Yeah? It is free. It's entrance free. You just need to give a donation if you want to give a donation. Look, that's it guys. I have to wear a mask. Let's go inside, okay? Hi guys, welcome at the British Museum. Here, I will take you a tour inside the British Museum, and this place, guys, is massive. The good thing is you don't have to pay for entrance fee. All you have to do is give a donation if you want. It's massive. Sorry. Okay guys, I'll take you a tour. The British Museum in the Bloomsbury area of London, England is a public institution dedicated to human history, art and culture. Its permanent collection of some 8 million works is among the largest and most comprehensive in existence, having been widely collected during the era of the British Empire. The museum was established in 1753. The British Museum was opened in 1759 in Montague House on the site of the current building. Its expansion over the following 250 years was largely a result of expanding British colonization and has resulted in the creation of several branch institutions, the first being the Natural History Museum in 1881. The British Museum's remarkable collection spans over 2 million years of human history and culture. Over 6 million visitors every year experience the collection, including world-famous objects such as the Rosetta Stone, the Parthenon sculptures, and the Egyptian mummies. There are more than 60 free galleries at the British Museum ready to be explored. The British Museum was the first national museum to cover all fields of human knowledge, open to visitors from across the world. Over the next 260 years, the museum's wide-ranging collections have grown to about 8 million objects covering 2 million years of human history, Some of these objects were taken or purchased in the region then under British colonial rule before they were purchased, donated, or bequeathed to the museum, while others were acquired through excavations, sales, and other bequests by collectors. The museum's collections were first housed in a 17th century mansion which was extensively refurbished before it opened to the public in 1759. As the collections grew, new galleries were added to the original building.
think they are the sarcophagus they love open it. That is the way out, it says. We go back there. This one looks really old, look. 1300 AD. God, look at this, guys. This one, it says 1400, and this is Mixtic Aztec. Wow. We're still at the British Museum, guys. First peoples, first contacts, native peoples of North America. So these are the collection, guys, from the North America. Look. Wow. This is when British discovered North America. Oh, there's 1500 BC there. I think the oldest one I've seen so far is 100 BC. So this is when they discovered America. This is North America. The British Museum. Here you can see very nice and warm here today. It's massive, this museum, guys. It's big.